We're doing part 3 of Bohemian Rhapsody. Part 3, we're going to do this part. Okay, here we go. Part 3 is going to come out. We'll play it at the end. I'll play into it, but here's the part by itself. It's an E flat chord, E flat, a B flat inverted, watch. Watch again. So it starts E flat, D, C. In reality, it's E flat with a B flat chord with a D bass to a C minor. And it looks like this. Watch again. So it's 2 hits on the E flat, 3 hits. Now here you do this riff. So it's D and F to a C minor chord. So watch. 1, 2, 3. One more time. And then like part 1, which is C, E flat, G, D, C. If you can reach octaves up here, do it. If not, just play one note. Here's the whole part again. Alright, that's the part. Go rewind and practice it as you need to. Here's all the 3 parts up until now in order as quickly as I can play them. Here we go. That's where we're up to for now. Rewind, go back over the 3 parts. In part 4, we're going to do this part. And so on and so on. We'll probably do about anywhere between 8 and 10 parts to make up the entire song. There's lots of great parts in the song. It's a great song. Put it all together and have fun practicing.